Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I have come up with another great news. So Wipro Wilp hiring has started again, but this time it's going to be for 3 batches. That's the biggest news for 2020, 2021 and 2022. So for 3 batches. So let's get into the details. And so all of us know Wipro Wilp, okay, that is the Work Integrated Learning Program, is a unique learning integrated program which offers BCA and BSc students a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India sponsored by Wipro. Now, so the stipend details in the first year, per month, it will be 15,000 plus ESI. Second year 17,000, third year 19,000, and the fourth year 23,000, and there will also be a joining bonus of 75,000. Okay, and so post the completion of program, the position could be like senior project engineer, wherein like the salary can start somewhere at 6 lakhs per annum. Please remember, MTech degree is fully sponsored by Wipro, and there will also be a group insurance of rupees 14 lakh per annum, and the group personal accident cover of 12 lakhs per annum. Now if you look at the MTech program, so initially usually now this Wipro Wilp, okay, now there are also other companies, okay, which have like similar program. For example, Mindtree has this Mindtree Edge, and Tech Mahindra has a similar program. And also like companies like Hexaver also have got this program. Okay, now so most of these companies have tied up with Pitts Pilani. So what happens is that for the first so once you get selected and join, for the first 3 months or so you get a training at the company, and then during the weekends and also like in the free hours, okay, so you may have a class. So like during the regular days, like work time, you'll be working for Wipro, and for so during weekends, okay, there'll be some online classes kind, okay, wherein you'll be pursuing your MTech degree. Okay, so that's the plan. And so please remember, there is a service agreement of for 5 years. Okay, for 5 years service agreement is there. Okay, so there is a bond, you have to sign a bond, okay, for a duration of 5 years. Now that 5 years is the 4-year duration of this MTech plus 1 year. Okay, so 4 years you complete the MTech degree, and after that you have to work for 1 more year. So total duration is like 5 years. And important dates: last date to apply is 7th February 2022, but don't wait. Okay, so just apply as early as possible, so that like you may get your assessments early, and then you can finish off and then get selected. And so online assessment, it will be communicated later. Okay, and then there will be an interview. Okay, that also will be communicated later. Okay, now coming to the educational qualification. Now percentage is 10th standard, mere pass is enough. 12th standard also just pass is enough, and in graduation 60% or 6 CGPA, that's essential. And which are the degrees that are eligible: BCA eligible, BSc eligible, and in BSc which are the eligible streams: computer science eligible, information technology eligible, mathematics eligible, statistics, electronics and physics. Okay, so these are the degrees that are eligible. Okay, so computer science, IT, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics. And as far as arrears are concerned, they have given like maximum of 1 active backlog at the interview stage. I think this is applicable only for the 2022 batch, though it is given like this in the notification page. I think this is applicable only for the 2022 batch. Okay, now coming to the education gap, a maximum of 3 years of education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation, but no gaps are allowed in graduation. That is, graduation should be completed within the 3 years. Okay, and the education should be regular full time. And so the other criteria, very important, is for this MTech degree, okay, it is mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one of the subjects in graduation. Okay, so wherein they say business maths and applied maths will not be considered as core mathematics in graduation. So core mathematics is essential. Now so I am giving a suggested list. Okay, now this is not the final list. Now this list is merely I have taken from the past experience. Okay, So this need not be the final list. Now why I'm putting this list in this video, because when I have earlier like uploaded videos for Wipro, will people ask me so what are these core mathematics subjects? Okay, so I just have a suggestion list. Okay, but this is not the final list. Elementary mathematics, statistical methods, operations research, discrete mathematical structures, logic and discrete mathematics, quantitative techniques, etc. are considered as the core mathematics. Okay, so now regarding the previous appearance, the candidates who have participated in any selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible, and so India should be an Indian citizen. So all these conditions you know. And year of passing, I have already mentioned this: 2020, 2021 and 2022. So these 3 batches are eligible. Now coming to the selection process, so you register, and then the shortlisted candidates will be called for the online assessment, and then there will be an interview, which they call it as the business discussion. Okay, and then the LOI will be released, and then there will be finally the offer letter is released. Now coming to the online assessment, that is for a duration of 80 minutes. So aptitude test, you have verbal 20 questions 20 minutes, analytical reasoning 20 questions 20 minutes, and quantitative aptitude, you have 20 questions and 20 minutes, and then there is a written communication test for a duration of 20 minutes. So in total 80 minutes. Now this is the online assessment, and those who qualify this will be called for the business discussion round, which is a typical interview. So this is the summary of the selection process. Now how to apply? So we all know the Superset platform. The link to apply is given in the description below. After watching the video, you can click on the link to apply and apply for this. And so those who have the login, enter your email address, click on the next button. Okay, and you will find the apply now button. So just click on that apply now. So if your application is accepted, it will show in the profile status. It will reflect as a application applied for this particular hiring. If it is not accepted, the Superset platform will tell you why it is not accepted. And so Superset platform, as you know, it is a platform that connects the job seekers, the employers and the candidates. And so if you have not already created a profile in Superset, no worries. There is a detailed video on how to create the login, how to register yourself, in how to apply in Superset platform. There is a detailed video. Link to that video is given in the description below. So what you have to basically do is that you have to enter your registration number, and then click on register and apply, and then you have to enter your basic details, contact details, most recent education, previous education, internship and work experience if any. You have to upload your photograph, you have to upload your resume in PDF format, and then all done. Okay, now very importantly here, the basic details. Okay, your name, date of birth, gender, college, primary email ID, personal email ID, mobile. Now this you have to enter it carefully, because this you cannot edit it later. Okay, it's very difficult to edit it. Okay, so this part you confirm. Okay, and then you give it, and then what happens is that you have to you'll get a OTP to your registered email ID. That OTP you have to enter and then verify, and then you can only then you can fill in all the. So first the basic details, complete this, and only then you can fill the rest. Okay, so anyhow, the complete the detailed video is given there. So those of you who have not yet registered in Superset platform, you can just go through that mail. Now if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. Now if you like this information, click on the like button and share it with your friends, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.